I'm so glad heat mines work properly. That's cool. Okay. They're not, but whatever. My camera isn't working though for some reason. What the fuck? This is interesting. USB camera. Where the fuck is my camera and why is it not functioning? Sorry, give me 1 second. I'm trying to figure this out here. Deactivate when not showing. Deactivate when not showing. I love bots. Love them. They're peak. Tell me none of you. There we go. Look at that. Fixed it. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna have to remove those messages, so give me 1 minute while I fix that. Alright. I have to set you to refresh every time I open you too? Damn. That's annoying. Okay. Sorry, I got a new PC, so I'm kind of trying to work out some kinks here for issues that I've been having, but hopefully I'll get everything fixed and back in running orders soon. Appreciate the follow, QL. I apologize if I mispronounced that because I don't know that that's actually a name. Delete. 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 Okay. Now we got that sorted out. Whoops, that's not supposed to be open. All right. So I'm doing some coding today because I gotta get homework submitted. But coding in assembly, I'm gonna start from scratch because this somewhat works, doesn't work the way I want it to. So we're gonna restart. This on the right side's a project file for homework 2 that we have to follow. So hopefully I can get this figured out. I somewhat know what I'm doing. Keyword somewhat, not great, so that's fine. We're gonna go back up here. Here we go. Hashtag define, and then we're gonna go SW0, and that's gonna be bit 7. And then we'll go hashtag define LED 0 bit 5. So I don't know why my audio back in just a second. Okay, I am so sorry about that. Twitch is yelling at me for some reason about my bitrate being too high, and it's not, at least as far as I can tell. So we're just gonna ignore the error and keep pushing forward. So fun time. All right. I need open this. Okay. So we got that defined. I'll define PD0 as well, because that will let me write that as the LED that's on this breadboard. This is the stuff I'm using. It's an AT micro processor. I think it's the AT Mega 328P specifically, and then a breadboard with just some parts. None of the code we're doing is too complex, but for some reason I can't seem to get it to function properly. So I'm gonna restart from scratch. We're gonna work the code, hopefully figure out why it's not functioning. And then hopefully from there I can start playing with some more advanced techniques. I'm gonna get rid of that Discord pop-up. Got ChatGPT to help me out, so that'll be pretty nice. And then I've got all of my class notes and shit. Plus I got those open too, which helps. So, but for now we're gonna stay on this assignment. But okay. So we're gonna start main project, and then we're gonna call a different line of code. God, I cannot type. And then we'll label this one LP1, and this will call a second line of code, or the button. And then we'll also, I can wait on that call, because for now we're just going to do the button. All right, and then for the init app, I need to initialize all of the stuff. So I need to initialize temp as R16. I need to initialize the output for the LED as 0. Okay, so we're gonna go load temp with 0xff, and a comma there. And then we're gonna go write that out to DDR B, that should be LED 0, I think. And then this is gonna be SBI DDR, or no, sorry, DBI ADR B L LED 0. So that should write it so that the LED is off. I'm gonna double check what the CBI command does because quite honestly I have not used it too often. Let me fucking log in. I'm gonna hide my screen real quick. We'll sign in with this account. I have a bunch of ChatGPT accounts just because I use it way too often. Which one did I sign in with? I have no fucking clue. Whatever. New chat. Okay. All right. For this, what do I want? Clear bit, set bit. Oh, okay, is that why? Because they're not native? That could be why it wasn't working to begin with. Give me 1 minute. I want to look through some other stuff. Ugh. Gotta have a file somewhere in here that uses SBI. Okay, it doesn't look like I need anything to use SBI. Okay, so it just turns it on and off essentially. So this should turn it off then. Alright. So in theory, that should turn it off. And then we're gonna loop back to... Or no, sorry, wait. No, we're gonna return to that because then it'll move down to call, or to LPI. And then this one we'll loop so that it's constantly reading. Alright. So that should be for that. So now I need a read SWO section. Alright. And then for that, I needed to first read the pin. And then it's gonna, if it doesn't detect that, it needs to skip to end and read. We'll label one for end read, return, and if it is pressed, then it's going to increase the temp. Oh shit, I gotta set temp as well. Temp 0. So that should increase the temp. And then I need to do if temp is 6. Do I need a comma there? I think I need a comma there. That's not a comma. If temp is 6, branch if not. And if it is, load temp, comma 1. Okay, so now I need branch. Actually, I think I'm overcomplicating this for now. Because the first one I need to do is just one push button LED turn on. So we're gonna go throw this in a different file for now. Projects, new, assembler, test 2. Test file, copy, paste, boom. Okay. So for now, so get rid of this. That turns the LED off. We're gonna just turn it on for now. SBI. Alright, I just want to test to make sure my LED works first. So let's see. Defines the switch, defines the LED. Jump start, calls int app. That sets the temp file to on. That sets the LED to output. That sets the LED on. All right. So first things first, run. Actually, let me compile it first. Says main. Exclude. Didn't build. Okay. Error 1. What the fuck is error 1? Undefined symbol DDRB? Why is that undefined? Invalid register. LED 0 is defined, so it's not that. Whoops. Can I keep you open? There we go. DDRB. Why is DDRB undefined? I have used this 100 times. I can't fucking, there we go. Can you only write out? No, because that's out to DDRB. I don't understand. Not. Is it because I have a space there? No. What? All right. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT why. Oh, okay, so it's literally just because I don't have this top. That's awesome. If my whole code has not been working this time because I didn't have that, I'm gonna genuinely be pissed off. Nope, same error. Not different error. What the fuck? I'm so confused as to why this doesn't work. That should be tea time. You can fuck off. It's not because I don't have that open, because I literally have the board plugged in. Oh, maybe I don't. All right. Damn it. Now? Nope, same error. Oh, no, this one's invalid register. You're defined though. I actually have to define a specific register. Oh, okay, I see. So 0B, 1, 2. So that's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, okay. And then SBI LDI 0. Okay. That fixes. There we go. And now hit run. You can screw off. Okay, so that doesn't work. Good to know. Why doesn't that work? Shouldn't be because it's set as temp. Because that'll run the same exact thing. Yeah, it does. So now what if I change this to PD0? And then I'll come up here and we'll go temp 0x FF. And then we'll load that using temp, DDR, port D, and port D, SPIT P0. Okay. Does that turn my LED on? No. Got it. So my code just doesn't work. Sometimes I wish I understood how to code properly. Okay. Okay, we'll try that. But since I have it defined as PD0, that should do the same thing. Did I just mute something? I opened my face cam. There we go. I was gonna say, I hit insert on accident and I knew that was a button bind for me, so P0. Include ink, reset vector. I don't actually need the CSEG part of this. All right, we're gonna try that. Actually, no, we're gonna try the exact same code as what ChatGPT is telling us. 5, DDRB 5. Projects, clean and build, no errors, good. Well, I can't tell if there's no errors because. Okay. No errors, run. Yeah, that it just doesn't work. DDR D 0 port D 0. I wish any of this ever worked. Go back a few weeks, software basics, not posted there. Sweet. IO, You know, software basics. Why am I on stream editor? What the fuck? I fixed, yeah. Weird. Oh, it's because I was using the arrow keys. Fuck. I forgot about that. I might have to change that and do like Alt Enter or something. That's cool, I guess. Not at all what I wanted. Brother, I have to set to BRB real quick. Sorry, I have to log into Word because I haven't done so yet. Okay. Share my screen again. There we go. And now paste that. And run. I've used this code before. And okay, so that does turn on the LED. Okay. Fuck the breadboard. I should be able to do this all on this on that. Full screen this. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna use this right here. That should be the first thing that happens. Oops, not there. There. Okay. And y'all can fuck right off. Okay. God, I need to stop using my arrow keys. Man, I'm exhausted today. Sorry. Test file. No, we'll go split. No, almost up. There we go. Okay. Ugh. So now instead of that's not the right one. This. So if I do the same thing, but I do out port, actually, we'll wait. Hold on. We're gonna go call LED on, and then we'll come down here because I can delete all of this, and we'll say LED on. Oops, on. Okay, and then here we can say out R16. Oh no, it's gonna be port. I need to stop using my fucking arrow keys. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna fix something real quick, so I will be back. I'm literally just gonna change my hotkey settings so I stop hitting those on accident. All right, almost there. Hold on. All right, I think that's good. Cool. Now, there we go. All right, sorry about that. I had to fix that. That was annoying me. So now this should turn the LED on. Wow, it is mad about everything. Why? Okay. So... oh, it's not even the right one. Include, exclude. Why are you not my main project again? I'm gonna build. Now we push that, and with any luck the LED should turn on. It doesn't. God, I hate this so much. Why doesn't it? Is it because this is out here? No. So there's something here that just causes it to work. What if I just start from basics again? Literally just loads R16 with on, tells it to set that to an output, and then tells it to set it to on, and then pushes it back to start. We hit run. It doesn't turn on. I don't comprehend sometimes. I'm gonna add one line of code at a time till this works. I shouldn't have to include nor because it's literally just an if then statement essentially. So we're gonna do that. Sorry, I'm like. No, doesn't work. What if I, hold on, what if I get rid of this? That's not gonna work properly, so then I have to do that, and then RJMP loop. And that should keep it on forever. No, build failed. Why? Well, oh, because that. No, it's still not displaying. I don't understand. Because I'm using LDI and not Ori? I don't think so. No, it still doesn't work. Whoa. Okay, that was interesting. It flashed. Not flashing anymore. Wait 1 clock cycle, and if R16 to 0B110 out. These are literally the exact same. So why are they not working? This better not be the reason. These are the exact same codes, so if this one doesn't work but the other one does, I'm gonna be mildly confused. I don't understand coding. I don't. How does this one work but the other one doesn't? And now neither of them work. And now suddenly it works again. I I hate these boards so much. These are the shittiest boards they could have possibly given us for this class. And they did. Literally had to unplug it and plug it back in. That was it. There was nothing else for why it wasn't working. Just unplug it and plug it back in. Seriously, like, you're fucking joking. Still working? Cool. And still working now? Cool. And oh wait, no, because I already have it loaded, so I shouldn't have to load it again. Run. Still working. Cool. So I'm gonna unplug it and reset it. Then we're gonna compile, clean, and build. No errors. Run. Sweet. Okay. So that's how I get the LED on for that part. And now we open Q4. Put Q4 over here. Close that. Okay. So now we're gonna redo this. So we're gonna come up here and go. Does it hashtag include? What was the thing? Nope, not that. Oops. Close. Hello. Chat. Include. No, it's not include. Good thing I looked it up. Hashtag define SW0 as 7. Oops, as 7. Define temp as R16. And then define LED 0 as 5. Okay. Now we're gonna work one thing at a time here. So we're gonna go temp, and temp. Now run. Sweet. Okay, still working. Cool. So now we go start. This is gonna call in its app. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna go in its app. Okay, and then we gotta go LP1, and that's out port B. So this will have to load R17 with a high on bit. So that, and then out R17 to port B. And that should solve all of that. Push that out. No. What did I screw up here? Too many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, one too many zeros. 5. Push. Not working again. Oh, I gotta return here and jump D1 there. Okay. Run. Nope, not working again. Oh god. If I just move this back up. Did not complete. Figuring programming. No LED. Woohoo! I fucking hate this so much. What the fuck changed? Literally didn't change anything and the light's on again. Cool, light's still on. Awesome. So now we're gonna go like this. All right, here we go. What? Oh, it didn't end right. Return. There we go. Now push. Cool. So now I gotta go back to this LP. So this has to call the reading of the switch. Okay. And now we can come down here and do read the switch. Okay. And then I need question 3 because question 3 was the one that worked right. Okay. Okay. So now we do SBIC port, pin B, comma, SWO, and then RJMP turn off LED, and if not, RJMP turn on LED. Okay, and now we come down here and we go, oops, actually we're gonna shorten this, we're just gonna go LED on, LED off. Okay, so now we can come down here and we go LED on. Is that apologies for the shaking camera. It's gonna be the opposite. So LED R17, comma 0B 000 0 2 3 4 5. What the fuck? Oh wait, no, because I put an O, not a 0. And then out for B R17. And then under each of these I have to go return return okay. Push that, please. Okay, lights off, lights on, lights off, on, off, on. Sweet. So this is pretty much what I coded. Just turns a little LED on. I don't know how well you can see that. Check. Trying to see if I can see that better. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna pull up my stream and see if I can actually see that properly. Okay. So on, off, on, off. Literally just pressing the button, turns it on and then off. All right. Cool. Glad that works. Go back to my stream manager. All right. So that is my code for number 3. I don't need to define any of the LEDs yet. I shouldn't actually ever have to define the LED with this. Okay, so now I can close that. I can go over to homework 4, save. Test file. Save that, make sure that's good. Okay. So now I gotta go here. So into app. After that's written, I have to then go load temp with 0 and then return. That's still good. That's still good. Okay. And then I want to come down here and we're going to go SBIC pin 0 off. If it's not being pressed, R jump to end read. Okay. Oh, that key's not capital. R jump to end read. If it is pressed, increment the temp by 1, and then if temp equals 6, write read 1 and load temp. What? Damn. Okay. So I can cut that out, and then we can come over here and we can say read one if in B, SWO is being pressed, RJM to read one if temp is 5, break to LED on, and if not, jump to LED off. Okay, that should in theory work. Okay. Praying to God this works. As of right now, it is not. Let me unplug. We're gonna plug it back in. I'm actually gonna reset the whole program first. Is this minimized? I don't know if this is minimized, so we're gonna close that. All right. I'll relaunch MP Lab. Cool. Test file 2. Make sure everything still looks right. Sweet. Run. Okay. So it's at 0. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. And then 0. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god, I did it. Okay. So pretty much this is all it does. I'm gonna rerun it just so I can demonstrate from the scratch. So pretty much jumps to start, calls this program. This program tells it to load the LED, which is port 5. You can see the LED there. Tells it to load it as an output, which is what this chain of command does. And then it loads the temp registry with 0. So it loads it with the number 0. Let me open window, target memories, IO. If this is working right, it's not, because why would it ever? Oh wait, no, it's because I'm not running it as debugger. Okay, sorry, 1 second. Debug, running, cool. So I need you to update. Why are you not updating? So anyway, sorry, you can see in this, temp is set to R16 up here. So what it does is it tells the temp register to set it to 0. So R16 becomes 0. And then it's gonna return back up to here. So it finishes this line, jumps over to the LP1. So LP1 then calls read SWO, which is this. It says if pin is pressed, or sorry, if pin is not pressed, then jump to end read. If it is, then you're gonna increase the temp by 1, so it does +1. If the temp registry is 6, then it's gonna branch to read, or if the temp registry is 6, it loads the temp value to 1, and if not, it branches over to this. And this one pretty much does the same thing. If pin 0 is pressed, check. sorry, if it's pressed, jump to read one. If it's released, then it checks to see if the temp is 5, and then if it is 5, it breaks to LED on and turns it on, and if it is not, then it breaks to LED off and turns it off. And then that'll end up running and returning, and then it jumps all the way back up here, and then this tells it to go back through and read that, and it just keeps looping. So pretty much right now I'm on 0, I think, so it should go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that'll be the 6th, but it sends it back to 1, so it's back at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it pretty much just loops. That was all it was. That was all our homework was. But I'm like one of 2 people in the class that actually managed to program that right and get everything working. So kind of happy with that. So now I can paste that in here and that'll work. Test file 2, I can close that, sick. And then I can include file, exclude it from this. I can stop the debugger, and the debugger should show R16. Where's R16? R16 is slot 1, like I had it. Sweet. Okay, awesome. I can't actually shut off the debugger properly though, because why would you? So we're gonna shrink this down. Okay. And what do I need for this homework? Write an algorithm in assembly to toggle LED on after it's pushed 5 times. Cool. So we go Word. I should have one already for this. Triple E homework 2. 4. I have to redo 3 as well. Oh, wait, please tell me I didn't get rid of 3. Test 2. Oh, fuck. Is that the same as this? I think these are the same. Yes, they are. Okay. So then I can go history. I gotta go, no, I gotta go history on this one. This was the one that I had. This is the one I need. Cool. So then if I push this to that, okay, close it, close. So I can uncheck. How do I get? Okay, there we go. So that one should push the right thing. Is there any reason to? I don't think there's any reason to have this. I don't know why I can't just. We're just gonna simplify this. Return. 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 Okay. Now I gotta restart the program because this failed out. Exit. So we go back to MKey Lab. This dude posts a message, follows me. Wait. I'm gonna turn on followers only mode. At least this way, they gotta follow me first before they can post in my chat. Okay, cool. Alright. Kit is on. Unplug it. Clear everything off. Plug it back in. And there we go. Homework 3 first. We're gonna run you. It's not gonna run homework 3 because I don't have homework 3 set as the file. Genius. Big brain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On, off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On, off. Cool. So 4 still works. So now I gotta include, exclude, and run. And then with any luck, pressing the button turns it on. Sweet. Okay. Got all these done now. So we're gonna close you, reopen so I have the right coding. And now time to comment everything. SW0. So it defines that as bit 7 on ERB. Label temp as 16. I don't think that does anything really. That organizes the code around that start structure. This jumps to start. Function? I think. I don't have to comment that. Oh, hold on. One. Okay. And then that calls and runs the read switch 0 function. I learn more in this class studying by myself and just doing the fucking projects than I do with doing actual classwork or showing up to class. God damn it, I need to pay attention. Stop jumping like that, please. Thank you. And then this returns to our JMP, well, to line 14. Oh wait, no, this returns to line 11, and then that one returns to line 14. This one return, I'll actually write this out. Returns to line 25. I don't like how our teacher words this stuff, so I'm going to do it myself. Okay. Two LED off, and if yes, jump to LED on. Oh no, bit 5, sorry, bit 5. R17 at 2 port B with bit 5 high turning LED on. And outputs are 17. Returns, jumps. I need to look up exactly what that does. This one. Okay, I guess I'm gonna capitalize everything just to make it look nicer. Defines jump, turn. Oops. Okay. Okay, so load temp with what does DDRB do? Okay, time to ChatGPT stuff. Because I know how some of these functions act, but I don't know what their actual like definitions are. I'm gonna sneeze though. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. And now we come back up here, and come over here. Pin input register for port B. What's the current state of the physical pins? SWO is a position. I know what SWO is, but if SWO and pin B0 is cleared, it skips to the next instruction. It's in SWO. WO is 0. Oh wait, no. In SPI. So our jump LED on. So if it is low, which means it's rest, it skips that one. Okay, and then I just need, what does cseg do and what does the .org do? Cseg do and then what does .org do? Set origin address. Okay, so I got that one done. Are we still only on 3? Yes. Push. Program complete. On. Sweet. And I can do that as many times as I want. Awesome. Sweet. So minimize you, hit you. Can I print screen? I'm not allowed to print screen. That's cool. Snipping tool. Options, instructions. I can't do it. What? Settings. There we go. Click. I'll just take a screenshot of that whole thing. Okay. Yeah, thank you. I'm aware that I just took a screenshot of that. Okay, and then question 4, we're gonna strike you over there, so I can copy you, comma, comma, 345 dot comma, 345 dot comma. Okay, set origin, address 0, jump to start, cool. Okay, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go dot comma start. Oh wait, no, don't need to comment that one. Need to comment the one under it. Okay, calls, cool. Calls that. Jump to LP1. Okay, and then we can delete you, pick you all the way back to there. Put the space there, pick you all the way back to there. Okay, and then load M0 with 0 into app, turn to line 11. So and where did this get called from? Read SWO, return to line 14. 14. Also gonna copy this whole thing, throw it into ChatGPT and tell it to comment it for me, because that just makes things easier a lot of times. Drag you over here. Sick. Actually no, what am I doing? You there. Let's put you over there. Okay. And then I can minimize you, open chat again, and then I'll put you, whoops, put you over there. Okay. So read SWO, increment. Wait, SPSC. Okay, I'll have it comment this too. Okay. First, we're gonna do this one. Include CSAG sort of jump to start. Start call. um init app load temp with high in bit 5. Oh, I'm in the wrong code. That's probably why. Okay. High in bit 5. Bit 5 to EDRB as an output. Okay, should EDRB load temp with 0. Turn to the caller. Okay, and then that comes down that read SWO if bit 7 is high. Okay, so if it's not being, or no, if it is, yeah, so if it's not being pressed, it goes to the next one. If it is being pressed, then it increases temp by 1. If bit 7 is high. Okay, and then CPI. So if it is pressed, then if temp 5 is Then if it's not low, so if it's pressed, then it loops back and stays there until it is, wait, yeah, if it's pressed, then it stays there until it is released. Okay. Compare temp with 5. If temp. Wait, why does... Oh, because branch and break are different. If temp equals 5. Okay. Load R17 with low and bit 5 outputs low bit to 5 for B turning LED off. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, now we come back down here. Whatever, I don't care enough to fix that. Print. Save. Okay. I believe that is everything. Cool. Now I can submit this assignment. Number 2, submit. Next, upload. Ah, fuck, I gotta save that word. Why did that not open? Number 2, got it. File, save a copy, this browse, downloads, save. Downloads that. Submit. Sweet. Cool. All right, so I got that one done. Now basics input output lab. I think for the most part I have some of it done. Simple editing. Upload on drive. Okay, cool. And now we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna go E212 basic input output lab report. And that should be the same format as what I just submitted for the last document. Double check homework 2, review submission. Yep, that is the same format. Sick. Okay, abstract. What the program? Hello. Probably gonna need chat again. Indeed. Nope, topic 2 maybe? No. Uh-oh, where did I get that from? Assignments important, basic input output. This doesn't require a style format, so I might just include the link to some of that. Enter unitalicized. message my friend, see if he can shoot me his lab report. All right, well, I'm actually kind of glad I got that done. That lab is usually hell, which kind of was again, but I didn't really expect anything else, so. A fiend for fucking lo-fi music, bro. I'm sitting here coding with a grand 2 people watching my live stream, and I'm sitting over here fucking typing away, listening to some random lo-fi music. Sorry, I'm trying to find my screenshot from the code that I ran that actually functioned, but I'm having trouble finding it. Need to throw it down here somewhere. Down here. Part 2 comment each line of code. Is there a slot that I need to provide a picture? Oh yeah, picture of the working system. There it is. Fuck you and your highlighting. God damn it. God damn it, Bobby. I just said fuck you and your highlighting. Stop it. No highlighting. No highlighting for none of you. Anything italicized I need to fix. Picture of working system. Let me see if I can pull that up. Email it to myself. What is the recommended bit rate? I don't know what this is yelling at me about, how my thing's unstable. I don't know, I might try to lower my bitrate on stream. Drop a little bit, so give me 1 second. Sorry about the weird display. I was told to have it at 5,000 or 8,000, but I think I'm gonna drop it to 6 and see what happens. Go 6,500. Hopefully that doesn't crash my stream. I'll see if Twitch wants to yell at me some more about my bitrate being too high. It's still saying stable. I don't know what this is yelling at me that my bitrate's unstable for. I wish I could just like clear this and tell it not to care, but whatever. I'm just gonna ignore it for now. That photo will work. Mail. Sorry, I'm gonna minimize this. My bad. Sent anyway. And actual size. Sweet. Okay. Got that sent over. Not sure. Whatever. Okay. I'm gonna pack up my breadboard really quick, so maybe 1 second. Two breadboards for out. I think that one's a 1K. Oh, 1K right there. Yep, it was. Oh fuck. Throwing shit. I'm gonna get a separate block baggie for the resistors. Because I'm tired of that. I think I'm also gonna take out this breadboard and just throw all of my cords or cables in this box, and like my shit can all just kind of stay out. I'm getting tired of running out of room for shit. One of these resistors get damaged, so there we go. Watching you out. I'm gonna actually take the speaker out. Put all the little shit in here. I'm gonna keep everything from breaking. Whoops. Should work. Okay. I'm gonna change up the music real quick. The fuck is happening? Uh oh. Presets. Music. Fuck are presets? Oh, never mind. I'm gonna start beats. Okay. I gotta set my thing to BRB real quick again. I will be back in 1 second. Copy image. Can I paste the image like that? No. Okay. I gotta save it. Okay. Open and save. And now. All right. Oh wait, sorry, hold on. I gotta go back one more time because I want to close out of this before I accidentally open it up. There we go. Sorry about that. I had to open up my email and I don't want to be giving out other people's shit. Okay, it just, what the fuck? Never mind. I'm going back one more time. Save image as. The fuck did the other thing save as? Okay. Okay. Picture, explain the code in part 1 and changes you made to implement part 2. Okay. That's easy enough. Oops. Try part 1. Okay. I gotta open up P-Lab again. Oh, I shouldn't have thrown anything now this time. Projects. Basic IO part 1, basic IO part 2. Cool. Motor on, motor off. Alright, and then this. That is fully commented. I can delete you because I don't care for you. Delete you because I don't care for you. Delete you because I don't care for you. Delete you. Okay. I'm gonna can I minimize maybe? Yeah, there we go. Print screen. If I insert a picture, can you copy the code? No. Okay. I'll do it a different way then. Fuck. Control C, do this, Control V. if I copy this and I come over here and control A, control V that, close enough. Okay. So there's part 1. Here's part 2. I'm gonna bold that. Actually, I'm gonna add a part 2 as well because I don't want there to be all this shit in here. Copy, paste. I'll be amazed if she actually reads all this, like dead ass. Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I am not showing my screen. Oh, is my mic okay? Have I just been muted this whole time? Yeah, no, it's good. All right. It's a little quiet though. I'm gonna boost a little bit. I can't boost a little bit. No. That kind of sucks. Back. Okay. I'm gonna check. Apologies. I'm gonna probably just stop streaming.